everybody, Zachman18AC here, and welcome back to the next episode of Animal Crossing New Leaf on the 3DS. It's Labor Day morning, and it's the second day of September, and tomorrow is going to be my orientation for school, so... and as the school year is coming in the next 2 days, things are going to be a little bit different, but we have a little... That's awesome, it's Labor Day, so I guess they're doing some kind of special thing. That's what Isabel told me. Yeah, it's gonna be, schedule's gonna be really off. Alright, because, you know, I'm gonna be busy with school and all. I'm not sure how busy I'm going to be, because I'm just starting high school, so I have no idea how busy it's going to be. So, but we'll see. I didn't upload an episode of, the GameCube Animal Crossing yesterday because I was really busy with a lot of other things, so it's just how it's going to be for a while. Oh my god, how my turnip's already spoiled. Seriously? Wow, alright. I guess I'm not very good at taking care of turnips, so... Can't even sell anything to retail this morning, so it's gonna be a really crappy day today. Yeah, these days are gonna be about 5 or 10 minutes because you know, I need to focus on my regular channel because that's the one that I'm, you know, I kind of have a job on YouTube now, and as much fun as it is to make videos, I am trying to make a good amount of money on YouTube as well. So. Please understand, guys, that these episodes may not be as long as they usually are. I mean, they'll be longer on weekends, probably. I'm not sure if they will be or not, because I might just want to enjoy my weekend as it is. But we'll see. I'm not sure, though. But, alright. Let's see what we can do here. I guess we can go sell to Tom Nook today. Do something different for a change. Are you serious? Wow! Everything is closed at 10 a.m. Alright. You know what? Let me put these two together. So, I'm gonna wait here until time goes forward, and then, I'm gonna skip over to 2 hours. So I'll turn the game off for a while, and then I'll wait for another 2 hours. So I'll piece these two together. So be right back. It is now 10 a.m. So I don't even remember what I was talking about. Oh yeah, school. I think I was talking about. Yeah, it's just gonna be shorter episodes and whatnot there. So. But now let's go sell some stuff at retail. I have freshman orientation tomorrow, so it's gonna be a little bit. It's gonna be busy with that as well. So expect for the next maybe a week or so, as I'm getting used to high school, probably 5 to 10 minute episodes. We'll see. It just depends on my schedule. It could change. It could not. Maybe it could even be shorter. I don't know. So. It is what it is. Oh, wow. One of the regular type, one of the official high price, one of the disposal fee. Huh. What's the special item for today, I wonder? Oh, an umbrella. Oh boy. Alright, let's see what Isabel's got for me. She's wearing kind of a... Oh, Labor Day. What's she giving me? A picnic basket, alright. Very cool. Be cool if I could, like, place it out here. Put on ground. Oh, it doesn't work. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna take my hat off. Wait a second, I got a perfect one for this one. This looks like good food to me. Oh, so awesome. Alright. So we're going to finish paying off our bridge today, so let's go get some money out of the bank. And actually, while we're here as well, oh, probably don't have enough space in my pockets, but we have the next DLC item. Let's actually go pick that up first. I have no idea what it is. I don't even know if they released one or not. They said there'll be one every month, so assuming there is one. But let's see. Something associated with fall, maybe? I'm guessing. A full moon vanity. What? I know what a vanity is, but it sounds pretty cool. Alright. I need to put some of this stuff in my house. Yeah, I could actually just carry a shovel with me and that'll work too. Why am I so dumb? So we'll withdraw 100,000. You know what? 117,500. There we go. Let's get out of here. Okay, that's what I thought. Alright, let's go pay off that bridge first. Oh, you know what? Let's go look at this fossil and then we'll go look at Nooks. And he already has it. Oh well. Wow. KK swing. Hey, they got a chalkboard. Isn't that convenient? Give her some stuff here. We forgot to put that freaking painting away. Ah! Dang it. could have bought that stuff at Nooks. Alright, let's go donate it. Just going back and forth today. I'm losing my mind. No. I don't need no assistance, Blathers. But yeah, have you guys already started school yet? Let me know in the comments. Because I know there's a lot of other different times when people start school and whatnot there. Oh, Nick, move. I'm busy here. And I don't have any freaking play coins. Oh, man. I think it's going to be hard to get play coins now. Because I'm so busy with a whole bunch of other things. Man, I might as well take my 3DS with me like everywhere I go so I can try to get some type of play coins, but who knows. Alright, so we're going to finish off this episode with... Wait, let's check really quickly and see if there's anybody in the Happy Home Showcase really quickly. We'll put that furniture down tomorrow. And there's nobody here. Nobody likes me. It's a fact, Digby. Just accept it. Everybody hates me. Well, I hope all of you have a great Labor Day today. Eat lots of food, because I know I will. I usually eat lots of food on Labor Day, so... Labor the food in your mouth. That just sounds really weird. Oh my god.